Hey, what's up, man? You would never guess what happened to me the other day. So, it is my turn to buy my house dinner for the month. So, I go up to the Golden Arches and I walk in, and you never guess what I see. This guy in line like this. So he is in line, and I recognize this guy from a while back. Do you remember that brother? This is that guy. So I walk up to him and I tap him on his shoulder, and this is what he do. He turn around. So I tell him, "What's up, brother?" And this is what he has the nerve to do to me. He does this. And then this is what he does. So I am like, "Oh, you do not do that to me." So this time I am angry. So when I go to tap him on his shoulder, I tap him real hard. So this is what he does. He turn around and I say, "What's up, brother?" And he looks me in the eye and he says, "I'm not your brother." So I am angry and I am like, "Oh, you do not say that to me." But this is what I say to him as I'm pointing my finger. I say, "No, but you are my internet brother."